Hello everyone! In today's video, we're continuing with the key phrases and vocabulary from the third episode of The Secret of Us. Since our videos are interconnected, make sure to watch the previous episodes. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started.
เนี่ยท่วมเนี่ยท่วม
Means you're drenched in sweat.
เหงื่อเหงื่อ
Means sweat.
ท่วมท่วม
Means flooded, submerged, or overflowing.
เนี่ยท่วมขอบคุณนะคะพี่อิงฟ้าเดี๋ยวเอิญเช็ดเองค่ะขอบคุณนะคะพี่อิงฟ้าเดี๋ยวเอิญเช็ดเองค่ะ
Means thank you, Angfa. I'll wipe it by myself.
ขอบคุณนะคะขอบคุณนะคะ
Thank you, with polite particles.
นะ
And
ค่ะ
making it polite and friendly.
พี่
Is a respectful way to address someone older, and Angfa is the name.
เดี๋ยวเดี๋ยว
In Thai can have several meanings depending on the context, but it generally refers to something happening soon, in a moment, or it can be used to indicate that something will be done right away. It can also imply that someone will take immediate action or that the speaker is about to do something.
เช็ดเช็ด
Means wipe.
เองเอง
Means by myself and
ค่ะ
is a polite particle.
ขอบคุณนะคะพี่อิงฟ้าเดี๋ยวเอิญเช็ดเองค่ะเอิญซื้อบานอฟฟี่มาฝากพี่หมอค่ะเอิญซื้อบานอฟฟี่มาฝากพี่หมอค่ะ
Means I bought Banoffee for you. In this sentence, Ern has bought a Banoffee dessert and brought it as a gift or with the intention to give it to the doctor, whom she respectfully calls.
พี่หมอซื้อซื้อ
To buy.
มาฝากมาฝาก
Which means to bring something for someone with the intent of giving it as a gift or thoughtful gesture, highlights this act of bringing something with the intention of giving it to someone else. This phrase is deeply rooted in Thai cultural practices of showing consideration and kindness to others by bringing them something special.
เอิญซื้อบานอฟฟี่มาฝากพี่หมอค่ะเอิญดูนะคะว่าพี่หมอไม่อยากเจอหน้าเอิญแล้วเอิญดูนะคะว่าพี่หมอไม่อยากเจอหน้าเอิญแล้ว
Means I know that you don't want to see me anymore.
รู้รู้
To know.
นะคะนะคะ
A polite particle used by women to make the statement softer or more polite.
ว่าว่า
That introduces the subordinate clause, indicating what Ern knows.
ไม่อยากไม่อยาก
Don't want.
เจอหน้าเจอหน้า
Literally, see face, meaning to see or meet someone in person.
แล้วแล้ว
Generally means already, then, or anymore. It indicates that an action has been completed or a situation has changed.
เอิญดูนะคะว่าพี่หมอไม่อยากเจอหน้าเอิญแล้วคนที่พี่หมอพูดถึงนี่คนที่พี่หมอพูดถึงนี่
Means the person you are talking about is
คนคน
person or people.
ที่ที่
In the sentence, it acts like the word who or that in English connecting a person to the action being described. Additionally, it can also mean at indicating a location, place, like in workplace or where, when asking about a location.
พูดถึง พูดถึง
Means to talk about or to mention.
ถึง ถึง
Means about in the phrase indicating the topic or subject being discussed. However, when used by itself, often means to reach, until, or towards.
นี่ นี่
This or here used for emphasis or clarification.
คนที่พี่หมอพูดถึงนี่ คนที่พี่หมอพูดถึงนี่ ใช่คุณหมอวิษณุหรือเปล่าคะ ใช่คุณหมอวิษณุหรือเปล่าคะ
Means, is it Dr. Wisana?
ใช่ ใช่
Means yes, or is it if it is used to confirm or ask for confirmation in a question.
คุณหมอ คุณหมอ
Refers to the specific person being asked about, using the polite title for a doctor.
หรือเปล่า หรือเปล่า
Is a common way to form yes-no questions in Thai, similar to asking, is it or not, in English.
คะ คะ
Adds politeness to the question, making it respectful and appropriate in formal or polite conversation.
ใช่คุณหมอวิษณุหรือเปล่าคะ จะให้ฉันจูบโชว์ไหมล่ะ จะให้ฉันจูบโชว์ไหมล่ะ
Means, do you want me to kiss him in public, or should I kiss him in front of everyone?
จะจะ
Will or shall indicates the intention or future action.
ให้ ให้
Means to let or to allow.
ฉัน ฉัน
I or me.
จูบ จูบ
To kiss.
โชว์ โชว์
To show or to perform, derived from the English word show.
ไหมละ ไหมละ
Or not, or shall I? This is a question particle used to seek confirmation or ask a yes-no question. It adds a tone of inquiry or challenge to the sentence.
จะให้ฉันจูบโชว์ไหมล่ะ เธอถึงจะเชื่อ เธอถึงจะเชื่อ
Means, only then will you believe.
เธอ เธอ
Mean you in an informal or familiar context. It's often used between friends or in casual conversation.
ถึง ถึง
It has multiple meanings depending on its context. In the phrase, it means only then, and it is used to indicate a condition that must be fulfilled for the action of believing to occur.
เชื่อ เชื่อ
Means to believe.
เธอถึงจะเชื่อ เอาสิคะ เอาสิคะ
Means, go ahead or sure, go ahead.
เอา
Means to take or to do. In this context, it serves as an encouragement or agreement to proceed with something.
เอา
Is a versatile term that can mean different things depending on the context. Generally, it means to take or to bring, such as when you're taking something or bringing it somewhere. However, it can also be used to express a desire for something, similar to saying I want in English. In other contexts, it might be used to indicate managing or coping with a situation, or it could mean accepting something willingly. The exact meaning of it depends heavily on how and where it's used in a sentence, showcasing the flexibility of the word in Thai language.
สิ
This is a particle used to emphasize a statement or command. In this phrase, it strengthens the command or encouragement given by.
เอา
It adds a sense of urging or insisting, which can translate to go on, sure, or do it in English.
เอาสิคะเอิญก็อยากจะรู้เหมือนกันว่าพี่หมอจูบผู้ชายได้ไหมเอิญก็อยากจะรู้เหมือนกันว่าพี่หมอจูบผู้ชายได้ไหม
Means, I also want to know if you can kiss a man.
อยาก
Means want or would like, and
จะ
indicates a future intention or something one is considering doing. Together, they mean wants to or would like to.
รู้
Means to know.
เหมือนกัน
Means to or as well. Here, it emphasizes that earn also shares the same curiosity or interest as someone else.
ว่า
A conjunction meaning that
จูบ
to kiss.
ผู้ชาย
Man or male.
ได้
Means can or is able to, and
ไหม
is a question particle used to form yes-no questions. Together,
ได้ไหม
can or is it possible?
เอิญก็อยากจะรู้เหมือนกันว่าพี่หมอจูบผู้ชายได้ไหมเอิญก็อยากจะรู้เหมือนกันว่าพี่หมอจูบผู้ชายได้ไหมอะไรนะคะ
Is a polite way of asking, what? What did you say? Could you repeat that? Or pardon? It is often used when someone didn't hear or understand something and needs it repeated. Additionally, the pronunciation of the R sound is often softened to an L sound, especially in informal speech. This is why you might hear
อะไร
which means what, pronounced as
อะไร
by some speakers. This shift from R to L occurs because the Thai language has a fluid approach to certain consonants, and the R sound can be challenging for some speakers. As a result, the L sound often becomes a more natural and easier alternative, particularly in casual or everyday conversations.
อะไรนะคะจะมาหาระดาเหรอคะได้สิคะจะมาหาระดาเหรอคะได้สิคะ
Mean, are you coming to see me? Sure, of course, or yes, you can.
จะ
Indicates a future action, similar to will or going to.
มา
To come.
หา
Means to look for or to visit. In this phrase, it means to visit or to see.
เหรอ
A question particle used in informal Thai to ask, really, or is it? It turns the sentence into a question, asking for confirmation.
ได้
Means can, able to, or yes, when giving permission or confirming that something is possible.
สิ
A particle used to add emphasis, similar to saying of course or definitely in English. It strengthens the affirmative response, making it more certain or enthusiastic.
จะมาหาระดาเหรอคะได้สิคะรีบมาเลยนะคะระดาคิดถึงรีบมาเลยนะคะระดาคิดถึง
Please hurry and come, I miss you.
รีบ รีบ
Means to hurry or to rush.
มา มา
To come.
เลย เลย
It is used to emphasize the urgency of the request. Here, it conveys the meaning of right away or immediately, urging the person to come without delay. Additionally, in other contexts, can have several different meanings. To pass or go beyond, used when referring to moving past something, like a place or time. Therefore, so, indicates a consequence or result of an action. Not at all, used in negative sentences to emphasize the complete absence of something. These various meanings make it a versatile word in Thai, with its exact interpretation depending on the context.
คิดถึง คิดถึง
Means miss or thinking of you.
รีบมาเลยนะคะระดาคิดถึง
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and gets this content out to more people. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss out on the latest videos. See you in the next video.